Hello. I have been doing a lot more of the short form content lately. I have not posted like a longer YouTube video. Yes, I know. YouTube video in a while. So I thought I would just jump on in. So if you've been here for a minute and you like my shorts style, vlogs, especially like new mom type vlogs, more yapping, follow along because we're gonna try to do some more of these. I think they're fun. I love like editing and just making content. So yeah, we'll see. I have not filmed the entire morning, so we're starting in the afternoon. It is 1:12 and we're just hanging out, having a great time after taking a walk. I'm gonna try to do some meal prepping a little bit today. So if this is your jam, hit subscribe, comment, like, let me know if you like this kind of content, if you've been here a while, all that fun stuff. But thanks for those who have been here for a while. You guys are awesome and excited to see where this goes. So I got this new crock pot from Ninja. It's got a nice knob here. So we're gonna try to do some meal prep, slow cooking some chicken thighs. And look at how nifty is that? All right, so our chicken thighs here. So that's a 3-pound bag. And then we're gonna add some seasonings. The whole idea behind this is hopefully we're gonna get several meals out of this. I'm not adding any broth or anything. So my husband made this last time. He didn't add anything just because they're frozen and they already have like water in them. So I'll show you at the end, but we're gonna add some vegeta, some onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Lid on, and then let's see, turn it on high, slow cook. So I guess it's my first time using this, so I'm like, what all does this thing do? Is there a time? We'll do 6 hours. Start. Oh, that was a fun noise. All right. Hopefully I did that right. What do we have for lunch?
Chick-fil-A.
Where is it?
It's gone.
No, where's the bag? I meant for you to pick it up, but that's okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Have a few minutes to myself, so we're gonna go on a little adventure to get some bread. Amazing sourdough from someone local in my city. And could I make it? Honestly, no, I couldn't. All right. We've been doing purees, usually like once or twice a day. So I have the Stoke high chair. This part can be moved up and down, so it's really ergonomic, which is great. And it's really easy to clean, really sleek. Let's get a good check on these thighs. Oh, look at that. Did I mess it up?
No.
Great. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna wash these dishes. And then I got all these to clean. Whoa! Put on my ass. One thing I feel like a kitchen can never have enough of is counter space. Because there's just all of these appliances and never enough room. So I'm gonna make my iced tea. I use one of the decaffeinated iced tea bags and then one of the raspberry zinger. And you could either sweeten it or you don't. I don't sweeten it. I feel like, I don't know if anybody else feels like this, but when my baby naps, I feel like that's my time to get every single possible thing done. And then maybe I do too much and then I get burned out and then I'm like, how do I do all the things? So one of the goals that I have is, because I usually get up around 6:30-ish every day. And I want to try to get up in the 5s and then just work out in the morning, and then if I want to go walk or something like that, I can take her with me. But just to get like that first workout in, it's just mentally is so helpful to me to do that, and it feels like I just have time by myself, and being by myself is how I recharge anyways. So that's one of my goals. I truly love to sleep, and that's a hard goal, but that's one of them. So trying to like meal prep more and then wake up early. And then that way for that first nap too, I can try to get more things done, like clean a little bit more. Kind of feel like I have my stuff together a little bit better than right now where it's like a little more chaotic. That sit and then throw those away and then we're good to go. A raspberry iced tea. It's not iced yet, but you get the idea. We're officially at that part of the day where, you know, you just start getting real sleepy. So.
Hey, Millie, you want some food? You want some food? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? This is hard to do with one hand. Yes, it is. But we got a document. Okay. Okay, there we go. There you go.
I'm gonna try to make a matcha latte at home. I've really not mastered making matcha, but that could be another goal in my life. So, and we still nap in, so there's ample time to do this. Okay. So, I feel like the latter part of the day is when things just kind of get really hectic too. Rude. All right. Let's fill up some water. Why am I filling up this much? I'm just making matcha for one. I'm just not thinking. And that is why I need the matcha. That looks good. Got some fresh basil hanging out here. Put that up. All right, while that's boiling, I'm gonna get out matcha stuff. Alright, I'm gonna do a teaspoon. Okay. Mix, 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 mix. I really don't know that much about making good matcha, so if you do have any tips, please drop them in the comments and let me know. I do like a little bit of a stronger matcha, which is why I used 1 teaspoon. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that's a weak matcha. I don't know. Right. Finished product, not aesthetic at all. I'm using this cup. I do like a milkier matcha as well, so using, whoopsies, Fairlife fat free. It has a ton of protein in it too. It's 13 grams for 1 cup. I always find it wild when people openly discuss how much they hate milk. I don't understand. I mean, that's fine, but like, why are you so passionate about it? It's okay. We can like different things. All right, now for the moment of truth. So I'm gonna use this from Trader Joe's to do just a little bit. So then it's like a brown sugar matcha. So stir it up. At least I never hit record, and so I've just been talking to myself for a while. Kind of just tastes like milk with a hint of brown sugar. Maybe a whisper of matcha. I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it. I truly aspire to be that level of comfortable. And just like that, it is 4:28, and I'm ready for bed. I love how I have the smallest one left to do this. But... final product. No water even added to that. Potato, the chicken thighs, some cut up potato, obviously not that big piece, and some chicken for the baby, some sauerkraut for probiotics, and salad. So it is 7:15, and we put the baby to bed. I'm a big fan of the chicken and the potatoes, which is great. And then now we're just gonna chill, watch TV. I'm an early go to bed person, so we'll be doing that.